Hello friends, in today's video, I will show you quick and simple way to make money online. This video I will show you the best free money making websites that help you to build healthy side income. This website is brand new and innovative. The best part of this website you can access from anywhere in the world. And the first website name is surfpix.com. This website has quick payments and extensive statistics, and it pays out 1 cent for each click and 1 cent for each referral click, as can be seen if you scroll down. Even if it doesn't sound like hundreds of thousands or millions, consider that it is per click. 500,000 clicks a day are possible, and that is only an estimate. If you do receive 500,000 clicks every day, $5,000 will be earned in a single day. Payeer and perfect money are the payment methods this website uses. Unfortunately, they don't accept PayPal, but don't worry, the websites that follow will accept PayPal as well as a ton of other payment methods. Ensure that you remain present for that. Simply click the register button in the upper right corner of your screen to begin earning money with this website. This should bring you to this page. After entering your username, email address, and password, click register to create an account. You can start making money right away. Scarlet Clicks is the name of the next website we have. You can simply enter scarletclicks.info into your browser to go to their website. As soon as you land on their website, you'll notice this: click ads, click on ads and get paid up to 1 cent each, up to 100% referral earning. Earn money you can earn by clicking ads, completing offers, and referring new members. Then cash out, you can cash out through Skrill, Nettler, Payeer, Airtem, and Bitcoin account. The minimum to cash out is just $2. As members, our earnings per click can reach $1. Payments can be sent through Skrill, Nettler, Payeer, Airtem, and Bitcoin, and the minimum payout is just $2, which is exceptionally cheap. Earnings from referrals could reach 100% for you. Detailed statistics about the clicks on your referrals as well as professional support. Simply click register in the screen's upper right corner to sign up here. You should then be able to do so following the on-screen instructions. In a flash, you'll have a user account. Sorry to disturb you guys. If you are interested to make money online related content, so please subscribe my channel. And this video is informative for you, so please like it and please leave your suggestion in comments which kind of topic you want to see in my next video. The third website is surfpix.com, which is the best one for us. As you can see, grow your SEO rankings using crowdsourced click traffic. It is affordable. There is a DIY option that is simple to use, and you can get started in 60 seconds. They are actual clickers like us. There are no bots here, so everyone has a chance to succeed. The way it works is that when a business owner pays Surfclicks will take a piece of that payment and distribute it to the individuals who registered as clickers, which includes us. The best feature of this site is the opportunity to make between 5 cents and 10 cents for each click. Therefore, if you could earn 1 cent per click on the prior websites, you might earn 5 cents to 10 cents per click on this website, which is ridiculously greater than the other websites. Moreover, there is a 10% referral commission and a minimal $5 reward minimum. It's still fantastic. However, the price is a bit higher than on the prior website. But given that their pay per click is more than that of the earlier websites, that is understandable. As you can see, all of their clickers are paid out via PayPal, which is wonderful and means that you won't even need to apply anymore. Anyone from any country can work for Surfclicks. We do not filter or interview workers. This is a great option for easy money in countries with low job opportunities. We appreciate a website that takes everyone into account. To register, simply click product on the home page, then select become a clicker, which will direct us.com is the name of the fourth and final website for today. This has more ways to earn than the previous ones we've shown you. As you can see, it claims that you can earn money by downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, and a whole lot more. This website contains the most ways to make money compared to our previous ones. This is another excellent technique to increase your monthly income and income stream. In addition to making money from free paid surveys, you can also influence the development of future products and services. There is also a referral program, so tell your friends about us and watch your profits soar. Up to 30% of what your referrals earn will go to you. Regarding their payment options, you can be paid using Skrill, Payoneer, PayPal, and Amazon gift cards. There are several options available. You may just click join now to sign up, complete their sign-up instructions, and begin making money. So that's it. If you can, try all the websites. Simultaneously, you'll be making hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars every single day. You don't need to do anything, barely lifting a finger will be required. Your money will start flowing in like wildfire on complete autopilot. If you only click a few times, make a few clicks, and leave a few links. Therefore, give it a shot. And that's it.